Are you a coach or a course creator looking for a simple and effective content marketing strategy for your business? Over the last 5 years, my mom and I have gone from social media nobodies to running a global coaching business that has generated over 7 figures in revenue. In this video, I am taking you behind the scenes of our content marketing strategy and sharing the 5 types of content we use in our marketing to help you get seen and get sales on social media. So let's dive in. My name is Jordan Maley. I'm the co-founder of the Global Freedom Community alongside my mom and business partner, Kathy Schneider, where we give ambitious entrepreneurs the blueprint to start, grow, and automate your online business so you can create a profitable social media presence without stress and overwhelm. If you're new here, be sure and hit that subscribe button. We put out great new videos just like this one on this channel every single week, and I don't want you to miss the next free training we release. As an online business owner, creating content is just part of the job description. Unfortunately, too many entrepreneurs are out there posting just for the sake of posting. The good news is you can start today with a strategy that will turn your content into a marketing machine that delivers you leads and sales 24/7. It all starts with knowing the goal of any piece of content you create. Whether it's a long form video like this one, an educational carousel on Instagram, a TikTok video, or even a post to your stories, every piece of content needs to have a job. Instead of posting just for the sake of posting, ask yourself, what is the goal of this content? What am I trying to get out of it? Every piece of content needs to either be attracting an audience, nurturing trust with your existing audience, or capturing leads and sales for your business. Some pieces of content will address just one of these goals, while others can pull double or even triple duty, accomplishing all 3. I'm going to share the 5 types of content we use to achieve these goals. Then at the end, I'm going to show you how to repurpose any piece of content and use it across multiple platforms and content types so you can share more while creating less. So let's get into it. Number 1, your weekly hero content. Hero content is a long-form piece of content that you deliver to your audience once a week on a consistent schedule. This video you're watching right now is one of our hero content pieces, but hero content can also be done in the form of something like a blog or a podcast. We choose to use and teach YouTube for hero content because YouTube is owned by the largest search engine in the world, Google. And while podcasts and blogs are fantastic for nurturing your current audience and converting leads and sales, YouTube videos can pull triple duty and also grow your audience at the same time. Even better, because of the way YouTube's algorithm works, YouTube videos have an extremely long shelf life, meaning a video you create today can still be generating leads and sales for your business months and even years from now. That's something you can never get from a social media post. If you want to dive deeper into how to create your weekly hero content, check out this video. Number 2 is your social media posting. Now, we recommend choosing 1 or 2 social media platforms to focus on where you post on a consistent schedule, again, that your audience can depend on. Social media posts can take a lot of different forms depending on the platform you choose, but regardless of the platform, you want your social media posts to hit 6 major categories on a regular basis. These categories are personal, lifestyle, inspiring, entertaining, educational, and promotional. If you want to dive deeper into each of these, including descriptions and examples you can follow for each, check out this video. Next up, we have number 3, short video. While this could technically be included in social media posting, short video is such an important part of any marketing strategy right now that we felt they should be mentioned as a standalone thing. Currently, short video is one of the best ways to attract an audience, capture leads, and convert sales on any platform. Between Instagram and Facebook Reels and TikTok, there is no shortage of places to use and benefit from using short video in your marketing. We recommend adding at least 3 Reels a week into your social media strategy if you're focused on Instagram or Facebook. And if you're using TikTok, we recommend posting 2 to 3 TikToks a day for maximum growth. When creating short videos for any platform, remember those 6 categories I mentioned earlier. You can also take your weekly hero content, break it down into bite-sized pieces, and share it across any and all social media platforms that you're active on. The fourth type of content we use in our marketing strategy is stories. You can create and share stories on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. And if you aren't routinely using stories to nurture trust and authority and capture leads and sales for your business, you are seriously missing out. Unlike posts in your feed, stories are where you get to be a little more real and personal with your most engaged followers. But don't be random. Yes, you want to share personal and lifestyle content, but you also want to strategically use stories to drive leads and sales for your business. Ask questions, use polls, and share links in your stories to your free and paid offers. We recommend talking about one of your offers every single day in your stories, while also mixing in that educational, personal, lifestyle inspiring, and entertaining content for best results. The fifth type of content we use in our marketing strategy is live video. When it comes to nurturing trust and authority with your current audience, it doesn't get much better than going live. And yes, it's normal to feel nervous about going live when you're first starting out, but the more you do it, the easier it will get, and the relationships you will build with your audience will make it well worth the effort. We recommend going live once a week on whichever social media platform you are most active on. Again, doing this on a regular schedule is best for long-term results. A great way to come up with topics for your live videos is to leverage your weekly hero content. So, for example, in this video, I'm talking about 5 types of content you should be using in your content marketing strategy. Then later this week, I could go live and dive deeper into just one of these areas, so maybe short videos. And in that live video, I could break down my complete short video strategy when it comes to growing an audience, nurturing trust, and converting sales. My call to action inside that live could be to come back here to the YouTube channel to check out all 5 content types. This brings me to the very last thing that I want to talk about today, which is repurposing your content. Too often as entrepreneurs, we fall in the trap of always creating and we forget about promoting. You should be spending 20% of your time creating content and the other 80% of your time promoting it. Here's what I mean. In addition to a live video, I could take this one piece of hero content and use it to create 10 posts for social media. I could do a story sequence talking about the video and including a link for people to come back here and watch it. I could create 5 short videos sharing one of the content types I talked about today in each one. And I could also create another short video where I mention all 5 types of content and tell people to come watch this video to see how to use them. From there, I could take the 5 types of content I shared in this video and talk about them inside an Instagram carousel or in the caption of a single image post. You can also look at your insights and analytics to see which pieces of content perform the best and repost them later so that all your new followers can benefit from them as well. We covered a lot today, so let's recap before we wrap things up. As a coach or a course creator, there are 5 types of content you'll want to incorporate into your marketing strategy. First, we have hero content, long-form pieces of content you create each week, like the video you're watching now. Next, we have social media content, choosing 1 or 2 platforms to focus on and posting at least 1 time a day. Short videos, incorporate at least 3 of these into your weekly posting strategy if you're using Instagram or Facebook. And if you're using TikTok, post at least 2 short videos a day. Next, we have stories. Don't be random. Create a story strategy where you consistently nurture and convert your viewers. And number 5, live video. Dive deeper with your most engaged followers by going live once a week on the platform you're most active on. You can deep dive into a piece of your hero content, or you can use this time to talk about anything else you want to cover. Even with a streamlined strategy like this, creating content can often feel like a full-time job. My mom and I like to make this job a little easier for you inside our membership community called the Dream Factory. Every single month, our Dream Factory members receive 30 post-prompt templates for each of the most popular social media platforms. We also include 30 short video prompts with trending audios you can use to grow your audience using Instagram or Facebook Reels and TikTok. Combine that with our story prompts and you will never again worry about when, where, or what to post when it comes to social media. If that sounds like a dream come true, which, let's be real, it kind of is, you can head over to globalfreedomcommunity.com/dream to get 50% off your first 30 days and get instant access to all the prompts for this month. I will also put a link in the description below for you as well. All right, that's all I got for today. If you want to steal our strategy to help you quickly plan out 100 pieces of content for social media, check out this video. Just don't forget to hit that subscribe button before you go so you'll be notified the next time we release a new video on this channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.